When marketers talk about tracking performance and managing website tags, two big names always come up: Google Tag Manager and Tealium. Both are powerful tools that help you manage analytics, marketing, and tracking scripts without needing to dive into code every time. But they have very different strengths, and knowing which one fits your business can make a big difference. Let's start with Google Tag Manager, or GTM as most marketers know it. This tool is part of Google's marketing suite, and it's built around simplicity and flexibility. It lets you manage all your tracking tags, like Google Analytics, ads, or custom scripts, from one central place. The beauty of GTM is that once it is installed on your website, you can add, edit, or remove tags yourself without waiting for a developer to push code updates. That kind of control is a dream for fast-moving marketing teams. The GTM interface is straightforward. You have containers for each site, triggers that decide when tags fire, and variables that help pass data between your site and your analytics tools. Once you get the hang of it, you can set up event tracking, conversions, and remarketing in minutes. Google Tag Manager also works seamlessly with other Google tools like Analytics and Ads, which makes it ideal if you are already deep in the Google ecosystem. Tealium's main strength is data governance. It gives you precise control over how data is collected, standardized, and shared across your marketing tools. You can set detailed privacy rules, manage consent preferences, and make sure data flows securely between platforms. This makes Tealium a favorite among larger organizations, especially those in industries with strict data regulations or complex tech stacks. Another advantage of Tealium is its customer data hub. It goes beyond tag management and acts like a central brain for your customer data. You can unify profiles, trigger personalized experiences, and activate audiences in real time across multiple channels. So, while GTM is great for managing tags efficiently, Tealium is about orchestrating data intelligently. So, if you are running a lean marketing team focused on quick deployment and campaign tracking, Google Tag Manager is probably the best fit. But if you are managing enterprise-level data with multiple integrations, strict compliance needs, and a focus on unified customer insights, Tealium will give you that deeper level of control. Either way, both tools empower marketers to understand performance better, make smarter decisions, and create more personalized experiences. The key is matching the tool to your business's size, goals, and the complexity of your data ecosystem.